Girls, what is it? What is it? A bug? A bug? Is there a bug on the wall?
No.
Where did it go?
No.
You don't know? I'm scared to go over there. Are you saying hi to the bug?
Yeah.
Is it a nice bug?
Yeah.
It's nice? Oh, there it is. It's a fly. You said hi, bug? Gracie, do you like bugs? Bye, bug. See you? What? Look at what? You see Wawu? Oh yeah, there's a picture of Sadie. Hi, Sadie. Hi, Sadie. Okay, say bye-bye to the bug. Say see you. Say bye-bye, see you. I see that bug. Come here. Gracie, say hi. You're so cute. Maybe say hi. Say hi, Mommy.
Hi, Mommy.
All right, see you. Bye.